Today we head out with a good plan to get to the Gold Dredge. But like every good plan, things change. We headed to Robinson Bar till we ran into a dead end, so then we improvised and went on a different route. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and thanks for watching. This is the route we wound up taking today. Not exactly what we intended, but you know what? Turned out to be a great day anyways. We went down Robinson Bar till we ran into a sign that said dead end, private property, stop. I mean, just right at the exit so that we could go down, jump on the highway to the Gold Dredge. So we turned around and compromised and went on another trail. So hope you enjoy this video. We're going to show you what we found along the way. We had gotten fuel yesterday, so we jumped on the road and we headed left out of the Sawmill Station parking lot down. We tried to not be on the road any longer than we had to, probably a couple miles, 2.5 miles to the turnoff where you turn off at the bridge and you get on Robinson Bar. And that was our intention all along, get on Robinson Bar, run down it till it jumped back on 75, go 2.5 more miles on the highway, and we could go down the Gold Dredge Road. Until that didn't work. So here we are. We're getting off 75. We're going to get on what's called Robinson Bar Trail. It is a beautiful trail. Even if it didn't go according to plan, it was still a beautiful trail. As you can see, it runs all down by the water. We saw a deer down there, and beautiful trail. But there are some places that are private property. One of them is there shows 2 trails off to the left on the way back. I'll show you the one that we take. There's another one that, well, let me just say there's a sign that says don't. And it's rather colorful, so we didn't take it. I'm not sure if it's private property or not, but sometimes it's just not worth it. So here we go. We'll go all the way down to the end, and then we'll explore back. You'll see where we run into the end, and we have to turn around. But even so, we saw a deer on the side of the road, and what a beautiful trail. This is the trail to the left there you can take, and we will take that on the way back. There's lots of camping sites along the way. They have porta potties in a couple different spots, and there's several places you can camp along this. Beautiful drive, beautiful area.
It's her or it's me, but somewhere deep in it's cutting like a knife, so you just kill it with that one. All of a sudden you are free. You call your mom and say, hey, it's me. I just need some more mommy money. I'm gonna spend it. You're feeling like my house, my face, my
Here we stopped because there is a like a little cave here. So here's the pictures of what we saw. I don't know if they were mining or what they were doing, but there's a little hole there. So I took a couple pictures of it. Just on down the road too, we saw a deer just laying there chilling out watching us. So here's a picture of her as well. And then we go on down. This was probably halfway down the trail.
4 feet on the stripes in the Alabama highway. Out there in the open, just a wishing and a hoping. I could smell the pines when I let you in the doorway. Took the seat next to mine like you've been there before. I'm befriended in an illusion. I could never stand to lose you. I get by when you're at my side. I'm befriended in an illusion. At the end of my bed, in the palm tree lightning, it was nothing you did, I just felt my low lightning. Now we talk all the time, it's a little one-sided, always one step ahead, and I'm running behind you. I'm befriended in an illusion. I could never stand to lose you. I get by when you're at my side. I'm befriended in an illusion. I'm befriended in an illusion. I could never stand to lose you. I get by when you're at my side. I'm befriended in an illusion.
straight ahead that says dead end private property. So there's a trail to the left. So we went, oh, okay, no problem. We jump on that trail and, well, that doesn't work either. So here we go. We'll go up it and see what's there. It's easy trail. This is a perfectly easy trail. It's like driving on a road. A little bumpy here and there, but nothing hard at all. So we get to the top. There's a little turnaround and there is nothing else, nowhere else to go. So we go back down and we decide that, I don't know, maybe we should look at that dead end sign. Maybe it just meant private property on the side or something. So we decided to pull on up and see exactly what it was saying since there was no gate. Now, I will say on Onyx and on Polaris Ride Command, it both showed this trail going through. So we decided to pull on up and see, since there wasn't a gate, to see what was there. And there's a gate with signs that say no trespassing. We looked to the right, we looked to the left. We could see where other people had kind of looked around too. No way to get through. So we turn around and head back. Now, there are, according to Onyx and the Ride Command, it shows two trails off to the right. The first one we come to shows it being a short trail and it dead ends. But we thought, well, we'll head up there. And then we ran into the sign. And I don't know what this person is or who. It said dead end road. Anyways, there's no sense going up a road when there's threatening signs there. So I don't know if it's private property or if it's part of the Sawtooth Mountains or whatever, but we didn't go up it. So the next road shows about a pretty good ways up, but it does show that it dead ends, which it does. But it's a beautiful ride up, and there's a lot of camping up it. So we're going to go up that. We'll show you what that looks like. It was a beautiful trail, and there were several people out there camping along there. It's a beautiful weekend for it, and what a beautiful day to be out having fun.
On the road, headed back to New Orleans, driving in the country past old-timey scenes. Big birds were singing in the tall willow trees, mighty fine. 3 words written on a paper bag. I miss you was written in a message in black, thrown in a van 2,000 miles back. A better time. And how many souls and times that I've told of places that I'd wanna be, and how many days when I could have stayed instead of just getting up to leave. And given we make time, I'll meet you down the line. A long coat walking on a New York street, a pack of crushed cigarettes that fell to her feet. Well, ain't it odd how some people meet? But that's the truth. And two pictures buried in a guitar case, underneath the music sheets all over the place. I caught a glimpse.
This is the other trail. It goes for several miles up. We thought it'd be a pretty drive. We didn't know how far it would go. We knew it dead ended, so we took it for a ways just to explore. And it is pretty. It follows the little creek all the way up there. I think you called it Slate Creek. Beautiful drive. There's a couple of houses up there. There's a ranch up there to the left. I'll just give you a few clips of it, but a beautiful drive. And there are campsite areas up here. So if you're looking for a campsite, a boondocking site, there's some pretty ones up here, but they're really small campers or tents, or overlanding vehicles. They're definitely not for big rigs, but beautiful drive up here, and beautiful weather this time of year here. And this is where it dead ends. There, we do see a building on down there. Looks like there's a hike trail, but I don't know if it's private property. And we weren't going to hike it anyway, so we turned around and went back. but beautiful trail. So then we're left with, now what do we do? So here's some of the waterways on the way back. Beautiful. But so we got looking at the map, and it shows if you cross, maybe we turned the wrong way, and maybe instead of taking Robinson Bar, there's another way to go to get back over. We're still heading for the Gold Dredge. We want to try to take side by side over there, but we're having a little problem finding the right road. So we saw if you crossed the highway and turned at the campground and went behind it, that maybe you could get there that way. Spoiler alert, we still don't get there, but we had a lot of fun trying, and it was a beautiful drive. So I'm going to show you some clips up there. It goes right along. If to the left, if you look at the map, it'll show Peach Cinnabar Trail. On the left, we were to the right of that and never could cross over to get over to Peach Cinnabar. So not sure what the trick is, but we're going to probably try this again sometime, maybe tomorrow. But beautiful drive. We've got another plan. Maybe we'll try where we went the first day and see if there's another route that way. But here we crossed the highway, and you'll see right after we cross the bridge, there is a campground on the right. So there's also a trail that goes past the campground and goes up the mountain along it's a shelf road, and beautiful drive, fun drive, even if it didn't go to where we wanted, still a pretty drive, and we had a great time trying.
Right here under the thumb of the cold air, a calling from something that's out there somewhere, wondering when we'll be departing from here. Anyone else would go back inside, but we set out to walk 1,000 good miles from our hometown, leaving everyone behind as their slow fires died down. Once we left, we found it harder and harder to slow down, 'cause we set out to walk 1,000 good miles from our hometown. 1,000 good miles. The years have come and gone, but we're right where we feel we belong. And anyone else would have turned back by now. But we set out to walk 1,000 good miles from our hometown, leaving everyone behind as their slow fires died down. Once we left, we found it harder and harder to slow down. Yeah, we set out to walk 1,000 good miles from our hometown, leaving everyone behind as their slow fires died down. Once we left, we found it harder and harder to slow down, 'cause we set out to walk 1,000 good miles from our hometown. 1,000 good miles. Yeah, yeah, 1,000 good miles. Oh, 1,000 good miles. Oh, yeah, 1,000 good miles.
we do find several water crossings. We find a couple extra turnoff trails that we tried. There's one that goes to the right that I think goes to the silver mine, which is blocked, of course, you can't go to. There was another one to the left that looked promising, but there was a gray truck parked down there. So we didn't do that one. But what a beautiful drive up this mountain. It was a little cool because it's pretty breezy today, and I guess a cold front's coming in. But what a beautiful drive. We did spot a couple of deer that were hanging out nearby and just enjoyed the drive up. Nothing difficult about this trail at all. We did take a couple little bumps when we turned on when we start back, we take a little side road trying to see if there's another way to cut across. And that one got a little bumpy, but nothing too bad. But looks like there was some tailings here. There's also a mine site you'll see up here. I put some pictures in of that. And just a beautiful drive. So I hope you enjoy it. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And
Nobody needs to know. Surrender to the grief. Nobody needs to know. Let go. Steer it up, create rings. We make something out of nothing. If you believe, hold on tight. Scream into the night. Make it all glow. Dress up the shit inside. You're part of the rainbow. It's your right.
it never hurts to do a little bit of trail maintenance. It might save us from running into it on the way back. So we just kind of chunked the wood out of the way. Somebody else had cut the trees and moved them. Still some rocks in the road. You do have to be careful. Sometimes they don't cut the trees back too far. But was an easy drive. There was nothing in the way, and just kind of trucked on up it.
Drama in every cell. No wonder why we dwell. Medicine don't stand a chance as we dance. Lay down, bend or give in. I'll take your skin. Naked among them sins. Let go of what has been. Make it all glow. Dress up the shit inside. You're part of the rainbow. It's your right. Now let it all show. Pave the way for the ones behind. We'll be the sun, not a gray cloud. Stand out.
Off to the right, we did see this pretty cool old mine. So I took a couple pictures and a little video to show you too. Very cool what you could find out here.
Make it all glow. Dress up the shit inside. You're part of the rainbow. It's your right. Now let it all show. Pave the way for the ones behind. We'll be the sun, not a gray cloud. Stand out. I said, be the sun, not a gray cloud. Stand out.
You do always have to watch out for these trees. Some of these widow makers that are laying over the road always make me nervous. But I'm more nervous about the ones on the side that kind of poke into the road. It'd be really easy for you to hit one of them and do some real damage. So we were being very careful about that. But you can see this is a beautiful drive. There are some edges and some ledges that are pretty tight. I told Vic at one point, it seems to me like they could have maybe given us a couple more feet on these edges, but there's plenty of room to get by. It just was it's on a shelf road. So Beautiful drive up here. Like I said, we did see a couple deer, and that's pretty much it as far as wildlife. And we didn't see anybody else up here. The only thing we spotted was a truck that's parked up here. We're assuming he went over there for and went hiking down the road, but he's parked in the other trail, and we didn't want to get near his truck. People get funny about that, so we just kind of turned around and went back. He's parked in the middle of the road. I assume you couldn't get that's where the trail ended, but we couldn't get down there to see. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you down the road.
Man, I always had stories about the city life and the crazy nights. Figure I should probably give it a try. Maybe check it out, see what it's all about. But the traffic was fast and the money was slow. The people I met you never get to know. I kinda miss this place I used to live back home. 'Cause up here it's breakneck, paycheck, rat race, what's next? I'm tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond. I think I'll go back where I came from, where everybody knows my name. My friends are still the same. I guess the slow life hit me just right, like a bonfire on a cold night. Hell, and you can keep your 9 to 5. Happy with the simple life. Yeah, I ain't here to try to change your mind, trying to save your time. In case you're thinking about breaking out the bucket list, girl, you can skip this funny business. 'Cause up there it's complicated and overrated. Down here everything is understated. That's alright by me. I got everything that I need, but there is breakneck, paycheck, rat race, what's next? I'm tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond. I think I'll go back where I came from, where everybody knows my name. All my friends are still the same. I guess the slow life hit me just right, like a bonfire on a cold night. Yeah, you can keep your 9 to 5, 'cause I'm happy with the simple life. Tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond. I think I'll go back where I came from, where everybody knew my name, and all my friends are still the same. I guess the slow life hit me just right, like a bonfire on a cold night. Hell, you can keep your 9 to 5, 'cause I'm happy with the simple life. Oh Lord, you can keep your 9 to 5.
I ain't never felt the kind of love like this before. You took all the worries from my mind. Darling, please forgive me if I stay a little more. I can't look away from those brown eyes. And if we settle down, we don't have to settle down. Please don't be afraid of all the things that could go wrong. We can take our time and we may change our mind. But I can tell a good thing when a good thing comes along. Darling, tell me all about the dreams you had last night. You can be so restless in your sleep. I ain't going nowhere, all this feels so very now settle down. Please don't be afraid of all the things that could go wrong. That we can take our time and we may change our mind. But I can tell a good thing when a good thing comes along. If I ever hurt you, dear, oh, I apologize. Heaven knows I'm no perfect man. I can't take another night without you by my side. Please come home as quickly as you can. And if you settle down, we don't have to settle down. Please don't be afraid of all the things that could go wrong. We could take our time and we may change our mind. But I can tell a good thing when a good thing comes along.
Not long ago, you got hurt, someone did you wrong. I can see it in your eyes, it's like your fire is gone. Across your face, it is written across your face. If you wanna talk, I'm right here, not gonna leave your side. Just feel free to open up when the moment's right. Across your face, it is written across your face. If you wanna go out, we can go out. You can hide away just for one night. But if you wanna cry, just let it out. I'm by your side now. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. Deep down, I know you're strong. Give them hell, baby, prove them wrong. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. I know you'll get up again. Better stand up tall, I know you can be brave, brave, brave. I know you can be brave, brave, brave. I know it did you wrong, wish I could take your pain away. 'Cause I hate seeing tears streaming down your face. I know you're strong, won't feel this way for long, no. If you wanna go out, we can go out. We can hide away just for one night. But if you wanna cry, just let it out. I'm by your side now. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. Deep down, I know you're strong. Give them hell, baby, prove them wrong. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. I know you'll get up again. Better stand up tall, I know you can be brave, brave, brave. 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 I know you Brave, 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 brave. I know you can be brave, 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 brave. If you wanna go out, we can go out. Brave, brave, brave. We can hide away just for one night. Brave, brave, brave. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. Deep down, I know you're strong. Give them hell, baby, prove them wrong. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. I know you'll get up again. Baby, stand up tall, I know you can be
really fun ride, even if it didn't go according to plan. And the weather was perfect, but it is starting to come up quite a breeze here. So apparently a cold front's coming through. Who knew? Mid-June, there's a cold front coming through. But I hope you enjoyed this video.